Alright, back to another video. Dang, Ethan is flying. Ash is going pretty fast. Dang. Dad was like right here, and I was like right there. That's like one, two, that's like 4 phones apart. That's crazy. And Ethan's still flying. Dang, they're getting dust all over the camera. Dad's also flying. Dang! Ethan got some air. Ethan got some air there. So did Dad. Ethan went like that high. It's like 2 phones. Oopsies. I told him to turn around, so yeah. Well, that's all. See you later.